I'm going to show you how to crochet this really easy textured stitch called the lemon peel stitch. So you're going to chain any even number and then work a single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Now all this stitch is alternating single crochets and then a double crochet, single, double, all the way to the end of your row. Now for the second row, you're just going to repeat that pattern. I chain one, I'm going to turn, and since I ended with a single crochet, I'm going to put a single crochet on top of that, and then put a double on top of the double I did, a single on top of the single, and so on until the end of the row. And this stitch is a one row repeat, which means every row is going to be exactly the same, and you're just going to repeat that same pattern over and over again for every single row. So after a few rows, you're going to see where this gets its name from. The texture does look a little bit like a lemon peel, and it's a bit more interesting than just doing singles or doubles on their own.